This is a Selphyl, which is a type of PRP which lasts longer in your system. We harvested the bud earlier. Now the Selphyl has been prepared. A little bit different color than traditional PRP too, because you can see that it's really leukocyte poor and RBC poor, which means it's going to be, which is what you want. And it tends to last in your system for about 4 to 5 weeks rather than 48 hours with some of the types of PRP. So I'm going to do this without any numbing, and we'll just go for it. Here we go. Alright, so that was actually finished with Selphyl. So we did a double kit. There's single and double kits. The advantage of the double kit is that you're going to get a little bit more coverage. So if you're doing something with hair and doing the whole hair, it's a much better solution. We'll see how it goes in. I've been trichoscopied before, so we'll see how much hair we actually can get to grow through this. And then this is all setting me up for hair transplantation down the future, so that my hair is going to be much more nourished. I've got a lot of microscopic hair, unfortunately, and miniaturized hair. So we'll see how we do.